Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay, and I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so notified whenever I make a video. So yes, guys, it is Friday. It's not the last day of school because we have to go back to school like next week, but yeah. So right now, this vlog I'm gonna be doing, it's just like a Friday vlog, because I know I probably have a lot of things doing today, because we have fun day at school, we have the pageant in the evening. So yes, I decided to film. So yes, sorry about that. So my alarm went. It's now 6:30. So yes, I've been up though. I've been up and I've been doing some cleaning, which will be in the cleaning vlog, but I didn't show myself cleaning today. But I'm giving like updates and so. I don't want to do too much boring something. I've been cleaning all along in the vlogs and something. So I don't want to do too much cleaning. But yes, this is gonna be just a Friday vlog. So yeah. So I have my hair to wash today because I need to wash my hair. Like, what is that? And I need to figure out how I'm gonna comb it to go to school to work today. Bearing in mind that I have a pageant later. So yes, all of them something there. So last night before I went to bed, I decided to search for some clothes. So I have this t-shirt here that I'm gonna be wearing, and then this pants. Yeah, I might carry that shirt here in case later on we just decide something I'm about to change and just put on this shirt with it instead, you know, just make it look classy-ish. But this is what I'm supposed to be wearing later. It's this dress. It comes with this part underneath. It's not from Shein though. This one is not from Shein. Alright, so this is the dress, and then it has this part that goes over. I've worn this already. Don't know if you guys remember it. Worn it in the summer. We went to Sharky's. So yes, that's what I'm planning to wear. So I need to like pack up a bag because I need to carry like soap and something there so I can get feet freshen up before we change. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to start off today with the program. I won't be here on Sunday, so, and then I won't be here later to do this, so may I do it now. So I'll do the PowerPoint for Sunday, and then we'll move on to the next thing. So first activity done. I'm gonna now make my bed, fix up my room a little bit, and then I'm hungry. I need to find something to eat, so I know what food are yet, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. And then I want to do some cleaning done out there, so, and then I go wash my hair, then we go to school. So that's the plan before you guys get to see any fun parts of the vlog. Hopefully there's fun at school, so yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave out now. Just a leave out, guys. It is like near 11 o'clock. The blow dryer that I have, we really need to get a blow dryer for the Christmas. We need to pretty much invest in one, because one that we have in a nest, it kind of mash up. So the air we come out of it is so slow and so warm. It not hot, it warm. So it's like it takes me quite a while to like dry my hair. So it took me a while to dry the hair. So me just leave. Yeah. Okay, so I'll see you guys when we reach our work. Oh, by the way, I had to take off the pink thing off my Crocs because it was tearing off. So it's kind of weird looking now, but yeah. I don't see no guy. Hi. they're prepping now for my skillet time. So we got some, come up with them name. So we got we're trying to like set up like bowls and so on for them. So yeah, let me show now. Not really that much, but yeah, outside is setting though. So we got the gifts, and then each contestant will get a bowl. You know, then after the all over players, so each of them gets bowl and so on. So. So I'm start awake. Hopefully it's still tight.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh.
We're home. By the way, this was my OOTD. Yeah, this is what I wore. I wore this black thing under it because I knew it was gonna be cold, so I decided to wear it instead of wearing like a jacket over this or something. So yeah, that was my fit. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified whenever I make a video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys.